Alright, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Singapore. Today we've got a package from Prima Taste from over there. They've got some really excellent stuff, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Ooh, wow, cool. Looks like they sent me a bunch of stuff. Let's check it out. So first off, we have an apron, and it's funny because I have a collection of Instant Noodle Company aprons, and I was talking to the guy I know over at Prima Taste, and he was like, oh, I'll send you a couple. We've got an old one and a new one. So I don't know if this is the old one or the new one. And check this out. They sent a couple posters. This is pretty cool. I think this is from last year, but yeah, thank you. I always like to update my poster collection. And this is what's called a shelf talker. This is the little thing that you would put on the side of a shelf at a grocery store. And as it mentions, yeah, their Laksa is number 1 on my top 10, and it has been for a while. They're really the one to beat, and nobody's really had any luck with that yet. But yeah, pretty cool, thanks. And this is a sheet of stickers that they might sometimes put on packaging about the number 1 ranking. And then what do we have here? Oh, it's a little spoon and chopstick set. Cool, thank you. And this is the main thing I was hoping to get, and here it is. This is the curry ramen. This has been on the top 10 list for, God, I don't know how long. It's been years. And this is the Laksa ramen. These are both whole grain versions, and they're absolutely out of this freaking world. Excellent stuff. This has been on the number 1 on the top 10 list for at least 5 years, and it's really good. And then here's the other apron. This one has stripes and the other one doesn't. Interesting. Well, big thanks to FM, Eric, and everybody over at Prima Taste for sending this over. Really cool. I really appreciate it. It's nice to be able to check things out every year for top 10 list stuff, and this is perfect. So yep, I get to try this again, and pretty soon I'm going to be working on the top 10 list. So stay tuned for that. That should be coming out the Monday closest to the 20th of April. So we'll see how that goes. This has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.